Hey guys, this is Mr. Telsrow. I'm going to go ahead and be solving number 6, 9, and 10 from the homework from over the weekend. It's really important for you guys to watch this so that you're going to do well on the upcoming test on Tuesday. I'm going to jump right in. You remember the instructions say to solve each system by graphing. That means is we're going to graph both of these equations. We're going to shade and look for what area is double shaded. Now my first equation is not ready to graph. X plus y is less than 3 is not ready. It's not in slope-intercept form. So I've got to just really quickly subtract my x. I'm going to have y is less than negative x plus 3. All right, now it's ready to graph. I'm going to go to number 3 on my y-axis because that's my y-intercept. And then this negative x means negative 1 over 1. It's going to have a downhill slope because it's negative. So I'm just going to plot my points. This is an easy one. And look at my sign. It is just a negative, sorry, it's just a less than. So because it's just a less than, I'm going to have a dashed line. And in case y'all didn't know, a dashed line means that anything on the line does not actually work. We're going to have to find out whether we shade forward or back in just a minute. And I'm going to go ahead and label my line. X plus y is less than 3. Okay. My next equation is ready to go. Y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. I'm going to come to my negative 2 on the y-axis. And then my slope is 3. That means it is 3 over 1. So up 3, forward 1. 1, 2, 3, forward 1. 1, 2, 3, forward 1. And then we can also go down 1, 2, 3, back 1. It's greater than or equal to, which means I'm now going to have a solid line. Okay, now I've got both of my lines graphed. What I do not have is any shading. So let's go back. The origin is not got any line going through it, so it's a good choice. 0 plus 0 is 0 less than 3, and this is going to be for our dashed line. This is why it's so important to label your lines so you know what you're actually graphing. 0 plus 0 is less than 3, so that means we're going to shade down from our graph, our dashed line. Now we've got to look at our second solid line and see, does 0, 0 work for this? Well, if 0 goes in for 3x, it's going to be 0 minus 2. On the right, I'm going to have a negative 2. And on the left, I'll have a 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 2? The answer is, again, yes. So for my solid line, I'm going to graph this way because the origin lives to the left. So here we go with graphing this way. Once again, wherever I double graph, and this is why it may be good just to do like one line, you can see that this has kind of got a lattice because I graph down and I graph left. So this whole section is going to be a solution to both equations. Double shaded is the solution to both equations. All right, let's go down to numbers 9 and 10. Numbers 9 and 10 relate to this graph up here. 9 says, is 1, 0 a solution to the system in exercise 6? Well, let's come to 1 right here, and 0 means we don't go anywhere. Well, it may be a little tricky to tell, but this is not part of the double shaded area. This area right here is. This is part of just the single shaded area. It would only work for our dashed line. It would not work for our solid. So we would say no. Finally, it says, is negative 1, 0 a solution to the system in exercise 6? So let's go to negative 1, 0. It's going to be right here. Definitely in the double shaded area. So our answer is going to be yes. I hope this helps prepare you guys for the upcoming test. I'm sorry I can't be here this week, but I believe you guys will do well. Take care. Bye-bye.